The reason given to me, sir, I don't have money to spend, to buy book, no money to eat during a recess time. I told him not to worry. I will support you until your life. Hello friends, I am Mashur, 71 years old. I am a part-time teacher in education service. I see a lot of suffering from my family. There wasn't any enough income. So I realized I must go to the work and do some manual work to help my parents. The suffering and the struggling actually mold my life and give me a strong foundation to do my service in future. My parents always insist me to study hard. So I managed to get a very good result in a school exam, that's a school cert, managed to score high level, grade 8, and I got a job, teaching job. That is my aim and dreaming job. A lot of my students did not do well in studies and did not score good grade. I started to have a free tuition classes. I roped the teachers from neighboring schools, manage a tuition center. At one of the point, there were 300 plus students in my student center. From 1965 till now, I'm in touch with the students, helping them, guiding them, giving them a lot of bursaries in many ways. One of my students did not come to school for past 2 weeks. That was actually an intelligent boy, make me worried. So went to his place and looked for him. He was okay. The reason given to me, sir, I don't have money to spend, to buy book, no money to eat during a recess time. I told him not to worry. I will support you until your life. So straight away I gave him $50. He came to school next day. He bought books. Happy to note that he did very well in the PSLE result. I remember he scored 3A in Maths, Science and English and A star in Tamil. Now he is doing very well. He always called me. He told me that he wanted to help me, he wanted to return. No need to give me anything. This is my duty to help my student. I started this Barakah Fund. Barakah means blessings. At present, I'm giving a lot of bursary scholarship to the needy students. Even though this fund started by an Indian, we're not giving only to the Indian students. Even though Chinese, Malay, Indian, we give bursary. Regardless of race, religion, language, we are covering all the people. That is the purpose of this Barakah Fund. I'm also having some classes for adult. Quite a number of leaders did not get a chance to go and study Tamil during the younger days. It is a big barrier for them to communicate with the society. So I thought this is too bad. We have to help out. I get a very good qualified teacher, and at present I'm running a tuition class for the adult. I also see a lot of improvement and sounding result. We help each other regardless of race, language and religion. The rich people, the well-to-do people always must come forward to help the poor people. Well-educated people must go and help the low achievers. We always rise by lifting others. This is our winning motto, Singapore's winning motto.